Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to We the Power channel. Please subscribe to our channel for very useful videos. This video is going to be in English because it will reach the people better. Whoever is looking for this review of this particular Prestige Square Kadai, I hope many people would have liked this product and this square shape and the total elegance of this particular product like me. I was like hesitating for long to whether to buy it or not because of the price. For the 270 sized Kadai, it is like MRP is 1900 rupees. Then in Amazon it was 1620 rupees. Then I finally decided to buy it and I just placed the order and you are seeing this now. This is going to be an interesting review and if you are actually keen to buy this and it's a must watch for you. So let's say that. So this is the pack and you can see the extreme scratch and abrasion resistance coating, superior non-stick release performance, and Pfoe free coating for healthy cooking. So it's kind of a chemical coating. So it's not used in the manufacturing process of this particular kadai. That's what they claim. And designed to last longer. So these are the features that Prestige claims for this kadai. And yeah, the package is nice, and yeah, I mean, in this picture it looks really nice. And let's see, we are going to open it. Okay, you are seeing the package. It's packed really nice, and the lid is actually supported by a cardboard, and there are two individual polythene covers for the kadai and the lid. And the lid actually looks so elegant, very rich, and in very nice finishing. And it's actually really heavy. Even I felt it's even a little heavier than the kadai. I didn't expect that actually, but yeah, the finishing is really good. I would say it's you will feel that the quality and the richness for the price. Yeah, we can say that. Okay, let's see the kadai now. This cover is free and this is the warranty card. You can see it is showing metal spoon friendly, stain free interiors, PFOA free, sturdy handles. And actually this particular card not exactly for this particular kadai. It's for that Omega Select Plus product line. It's for a pan actually. They also say it's cook and serve, means you can actually serve your food in this kadai itself. Yeah, that's true. It's kind of, it looks really nice while serving. Also, we did that, and it is actually it's for the pan, and they're saying metal spoon friendly. So I hope it's applicable for this kadai also. So the kadai, it is not so heavy, I would say. I was expecting this would be heavy for this size, but it's not so heavy, and the edges are not smooth or shiny. And the back side, this is the coating. It looks perfect. And we saw this kind of coating, in this Prestige previous product lines also. I used it, and it was nice. So I liked it. So I thought, okay, it's going to be the same. And yeah, this is how it looks. And let's see the handles. The handles, I really liked it. They're, as they say, they're really sturdy. And the dimension and the design of this handle is perfect for this particular kadai. Kadai's dimension and design, and it's really nice. I really liked it. So here I'm trying to scratch the coating to check whether something is coming out or not. Nothing is actually coming out. It looks fine, but some white lines are getting formed inside on the kadai. So if I just wipe it out, it's going away. So I feel okay. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, that I like that round shape inside and this edges connecting to the square outside. It's nice, for dishes like this, like peas and some upma. Some dishes needs that even cooking, right? So we can use it for that. And if we just close the lid, it sits perfectly on the kadai. So I like it. I'm going to keep it. So now we are going to use it and see what is going to happen. Okay, my mom is washing it with the same scrubber they gave, and it looks fine so far. We are going to test, by cooking something now. So today we actually decided to cook samai pulao in this kadai without using a pressure cooker, which needs actually an even kind of cooking. So for this kind of dishes only, we actually ordered it. So it was perfect. Whatever we expected, everything was there. So white base and the even cooking, everything was there. The samai pulao was cooked really perfectly fine, and the lid was very useful, and it's a glass lid, and it was also very very useful while cooking. So far story is good. Okay, this is what we cooked today. It was so yummy, very delicious, and we were very happy with the product. But this is where the shock comes. When we are trying after the cooking is over, when we were trying to take the kadai out of the gas, the rod stand will be there, right, on the gas stove. That was actually got stuck to this kadai, so we had to pull it out from the kadai. And I mean, we didn't expect that, and we had to really pull it, forcefully pull it out from the kadai. And we were worried, and it never happened in any of the non-stick we used so far in at least 10 years. And see what happened to the bottom of it. See, this is how it looks now. You can see the coating, it got peeled off here and there wherever it got stuck to the uh, gas stove stand, that iron stand, almost in all the four edges here and there it got peeled off. And yeah, I was totally upset with it. And I mean, the same kind of coating was used in some other non-stick kadai also from Prestige. Like, I bought it like 9 years ago. It was totally fine, but I didn't expect this from this kadai, especially after I paid so much money for this. It just in one use. You're seeing, right? This is how it has happened. It got stuck with the stand. When I actually took that kadai out, it it took that whole stand along with it. That Okay, after washing it, now we are going to see inside what happens to the coating. We could see, like, here and there small scratches, just in one use, that too with the same scrubber. And that was like not accepted at all. So yeah, you can see here, and inside also you can see here as well. Okay, this is the major part. Actually, you can see that white patches, right? This just happened just in the second wash after cooking. You can see, right? It's gone. I mean, they're claiming it's extreme scratch resistance coating, but it's just happened with the normal scrubber. See, you can see here also. So here and there, like this, like around in 10 places, there were this kind of scratches. So definitely I'm not happy. And if you are going to buy this, okay, give a second thought about it. And I'm also not sure whether it's something I bought a fake product from Amazon or not. I don't know, but I'm going to raise a complaint to Amazon and with the pictures of it, and let's see what's going to happen.